In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they continue to move higher today. Crude futures higher for a third session, and today's price action has the futures market up just under 1% currently, but retaking that 78 handle, 78.02, which is the highest level for WTI futures going back to the end of November. So basically a 2-month high here in today's price action. And looking at the driving factors, I think one of the factors is the continued equilibrium in the supply chain. Draws here in the U.S. for a second week in a row, larger than anticipated draws, and I think that that's counterbalancing some of the certainly the supply that we continue to see elevated in the U.S. But probably the bigger factor is the tensions in the Middle East, in particular the Red Sea, as there was word today the British oil tanker was attacked, and that theme, as from a global perspective, I think is one of the primary drivers why we're seeing crude from a global standpoint continuing to move higher. And looking at the general trends coming off those January lows, WTI now is pushing back up possibly towards the 80 level as we continue to see upward price action here and trading at the highest levels since the end of November. And also, when you look at RBOB pushing up higher and Brent as well. Now, natural gas is under a little bit of pressure today, basically unchanged. It was down and came back a little bit. We're shifting dynamic within natural gas relative to the crude space. And the thing I want to close on is rig counts. We did see oil rigs increase for a second week in a row, first time in basically a month as an increase in oil rigs. So some rigs coming back online, but still well below a year ago's levels. Slowly shifting the dynamic there, but not enough to impact the price action today. And we're continuing to see WTI now trading at basically 2-month highs.